Namaste. This is Dr. Vikal Chaurasia. I present you one hydroponic farming at home. This is the three set of system where we can grow three different plants in our grow cube. This is grow cube where we can place hydroponic plant. Behind that we had water tank with a pump and airflow arrangement. So water get rich with oxygen and water is continuous going to circulate in this tank. There are two vertical pillar on which we had installed special type of light which is required to grow the plant. There is a three different option in light, so according to plant you can change the intensity and color of light. Now you can see the color will change. Again there is a three setting. Now the color is changed, so you can easily see there is a three different color available with our system, and as per selected plant you can choose the color theme for flower or vegetable plants in hydroponic system. So this is a basic system which you can easily install at your home and grow your lettuce, cherry tomato and multiple vegetables in house. Thank you.